Are you having trouble sending or receiving text messages with your iPhone? Is iMessage telling you your text hasn't been delivered? In this video, we will provide simple and clear troubleshooting tips for you to fix it. There are a number of reasons why iMessage stops working. It could be an issue with Apple's iMessage servers, a problem with the Messages app, or your settings may need to be adjusted. Solution 1. Check if iMessage is turned off. There is a chance that iMessage is glitchy on Apple's end. To check this, visit Apple's System Status page. Here you can check for known technical issues, with services like iMessage, FaceTime, and more. Solution 2. Make sure your internet connection is working. Make sure you see the Wi-Fi, or cellular network symbol at the top of your iPhone screen, or you can turn airplane mode on and off. Solution 3. Find out if the problem is on your side, or someone else has sent a text message to several people to see if the problem is just one or all of them. If it happens to everyone, it is very likely that there is something wrong with your iMessage. Solution 4. Make sure iMessage is set up for your iPhone. Launch the Settings app and tap Messages, tap Send and AMP, Receive. Make sure your iPhone phone number is selected on both sections of the page, especially when starting a new conversation from. Solution 5. Restart iMessage. Launch the Settings app and tap Messages. Swipe the button to the left to close iMessage. Restart your iPhone, and once your iPhone is powered on again, open the Settings app, tap Messages, and swipe the button to the right to turn iMessage back on. Solution 6. Sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. If this doesn't resolve your issue, please sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in. Solution 7. Make sure your software is up to date. Whether it's iMessages or something else wrong on your iPhone, it's a good idea to make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Solution 8. Reset your network settings. In rare cases, your phone's network settings may be disrupted, which may interfere with iMessage and potentially other online services. You can close network settings and reopen. Please note that this will clear your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. Solution 9. Use Joyoshare UltFix. In addition to the suggestions mentioned above, you can also use the most powerful and professional iOS system repair software, which is Joyoshare UltFix, to fix the message not working on iPhone problem. It can fix more than 150 iOS problems, protect privacy, and let you use it with peace of mind without worrying about any data loss. Solution 10. Contact Apple support. If you've tried all of these troubleshooting tips, and your iMessages are still not working, you might need to contact Apple support for help.